Buttermilk. So we're gonna go with this. Hi guys, Lisa Sykes here and welcome back to my channel. This is day maybe 4 of Vlogmas and I can't believe that I'm still going and doing this thing. But if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you love beauty, natural hair, and lifestyle, this is where you want to be. So just go ahead, pause if you will, and subscribe to this channel. So the other day I took you along when we purchased a tree. This is our first year doing a faux tree. Every year before we've done a real tree, and now that I think about it, I'm going to miss that like real tree smell that our house gets during the holidays, but we will try to find a way to make that part up. Tonight we're gonna go ahead and pull out the decorations. Usually we like to play like Christmas music and eat some cookies and drink some eggnog and put them things up. So that is what we're gonna be doing in this video today. So tonight's video will also be featuring my son Trey. Trey, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, and Riley, who is somewhere in the room doing what Riley does best. So yeah, so you ready to decorate? Okay, so she's ready to go. She's ready to decorate.
I'm ready to decorate.
Yes, have you been a good girl this year? Okay, what do you want Santa to bring you? What do you want Santa to bring you? Okay, what kind of Christmas presents? Oh, yeah, that is number 5. Good job. So she wants 5 Christmas presents. Yes, we'll get to the candy canes, right? Coming in my garage always just makes me so nervous because I know that lizards and stuff live in here. And one time we opened the door and a frog like jumped in. And if you know me personally, then you know I'm afraid of frogs. I'm terrified. Yeah. So I'm hoping nothing like that like jumps out. The tree in, this is where we store our Christmas decorations. We don't have a whole lot. Like I said. Huh?
Before you, the football was really paying off.
Oh yeah, it has. And we don't have a whole lot here, so Trey, just go ahead and leave. Okay, see. Oh, we have. Huh. I like the white lights.
Look.
But see, we don't have there not a lot of like decorations. Mm-hmm. It's beautiful. So last year we did like a red, silver, and teal.
Probably not, but
I don't know. We might do the same thing this year.
wait a second.
Look, I see.
Yeah, this was for Trey's room.
Mama, I Santa Claus.
remember.
Ho, ho,
You want to put it back here? Look at little Santa.
Oh yeah, then I
Ho,
remember.
ho, ho.
Yeah, I'll probably put those out here this year. Okay.
Colorful lights or white lights?
Look,
Let's
Mama.
do rainbow color for this.
Look, Mama.
Rainbow, everything colorful. Because 2020 is a very bad year.
Whoa,
You think so?
look,
Well,
Mama.
Well, 2021.
We're in
2021 was worse than 2020.
you think so? Why?
2020 is the coronavirus, and 2021 coronavirus. Worse,
Oh,
but 2 times worse.
Lord.
rank, boo boo.
Okay, Riley, can you back up?
Not back up. Not pick up. Ooh, I got my candy cane. Now, show me now. Now, watch me eat a candy cane. Can you help me open that candy cane? Now, watch me eat a candy cane.
It's always gonna be something leaning. Always a tree leaning. Look, that tree is leaning.
Yeah, that tree's leaning. What one?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, me in the coat.
You have to spread them out.
Spread them out.
Okay, you spreading them out?
Look, there are pine cones on here. Look at their pine cones.
Riley, how about you work on spreading them out?
Is that how I spread the tree?
Thank you for spreading the tree.
Can I?
We have to put the lights on first, Riley.
Oh, you need to put the lights on first.
Riley, what are you doing?
I know there's 3 parts.
We have to wait to put that on, Riley.
Lights in.
Yes, we need to plug the lights in.
I didn't know how to plug lights in. You do know.
Right. They try to make it better, but it's always worse. It's like Home Sweet Home Alone. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the original is better than that. Because at least it had a heart. Well, greater comedy than Home Sweet Home Alone.
Trey,
Yeah.
what are we supposed to be doing right now?
Putting up the light.
Okay, let's stay focused.
Okay, first we gotta figure out how to.
Okay. You have whatever
Okay, so this is clearly going to be a multiple day process.
Get one.
Most likely, yes.
Because the kids are wearing me out. Yes.
I?
No, not you. You're helping.
Mostly Riley
Yeah.
because she's a crybaby. I will be right back.
It's right here, Trey. Okay, so we're almost done separating the tree.
I haven't used you in a long time.
Mm-hmm.
I remember when I used to use this thing all the time, but I couldn't.
I can ask you one time.
One solution. Get the stepping stool. And I always used to be paranoid that I'd fall, possibly break my other leg. Well, not break it.
Riley, no more candy cane.
Riley, put that back.
Thank you.